What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Sliding on Twoz video. Hey, today I have a question for you guys, man. Listen, I'm riding with this group. It's a group of 5. And here's the question. A group ride for everyone. But this is my first time riding with a group. And I knew 2 of the guys. But man, I don't know if I was a part of the group. Those guys took off so fast and made my head swim. But all in all, it was a pretty good ride. We didn't go too far, probably about 30 minutes out and about 30 minutes back. Most of the guys, I think it was 3 Harleys, Honda Shadow and my Kawasaki 900. Those guys was fast, man. I don't know if ego kicks in when a lot of guys get together and ride. They probably have to show, guys have to show how fast their bikes are. I mean, I'm on a 900. The guys on the Harley and on the Honda Shadow, man, they were getting it. But maybe they're used to riding with groups, and maybe I'm just not. So, again, my question is, let me know in the comments, is group riding for everybody? And especially for a new rider, should you be riding with a group? I mean, I'm fairly new, but I got about a year plus under my belt. Did a lot of riding with 2 of the guys that has Harleys, but the other 2 I just met that day. It wasn't a planned ride. We just kind of all just met together. As 3 of us was going out, the other 2 drove up, and one of the Harley guys knew those guys, and we just happened to start riding together. It wasn't anything planned. Well, I really don't think there's anything wrong with it, man. Those guys was doing their things. You can see that they were rolling, man. And hey, just like I've always told you, I was riding my ride, man. They were hitting those corners pretty fast. I just said, you know what, I'm going to let them roll. And I'm just, ride my ride, do my pace. So what do you think? Do I need a faster bike or what? Because I don't know if I could have kept up with him, but you know what? I wasn't really trying to keep up with him, man. I was riding my ride.
Joseph, baby. All right. I'll do that.
The 2 guys that's leaving on the Harleys now are the 2 guys that I had never ridden with before. Seem to be pretty cool guys, man. The guy in the Harley in the front, he knows those 2 guys, but I don't have a problem with it. I would do it again. I noticed a couple of things. You have to, really be cautious, riding with a group, especially if you're not the leader. The leader to really, the only one know what way he's going. And so,
You hurt my ear when you passed. Really?
So I just try to stay back, man, and just ride my ride, and it was pretty cool. Will I do it again? Yeah, I don't see why not. You just have to be careful. I mean, especially when they're stopping, you have to make sure giving each other enough space. The 3 guys, the 3 bikes you see now, we ride together all the time, and we understand how to, ride staggered and give each other space.
I enjoyed it, man. I really did. Good ride.
Alrighty, guys, as always, make sure you